Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome to Arpita's Kitchen. Today we are making easy breakfast, that is sweet corn pulao in cooker. So let's get started with today's video. For that I have taken a cooker directly and I am adding around 2 tablespoons of oil to this. Let the oil heat up and we will add all our spices. This is a 1 pot meal. Once the oil is hot enough, I am adding jeera around 1 tablespoon. Let the jeera crack. For this I am adding 1 bay leaves and whole spices. For whole spices I have taken cinnamon, elaichi, clove and star. We will fry the whole spices for a minute so that all the flavors are infused. This is a very easy breakfast that can be prepared within 10 minutes. Now I am adding around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry this until the aroma is gone. Once it is nicely fried in oil, we will add onion. I have taken 1 big onion and I have roughly chopped it. As we are making in a cooker, no need to finely chop the onions here, but I have roughly chopped it. As you can see, we will fry the onion for 1 minute until it is translucent. We should not make the onion brown, otherwise the taste of the pulao will change. We need the sweetness and also flavor in the pulao. Once the onion is fried, I am adding dry spices, that is haldi, chili powder, dhania powder and jeera powder. As you have observed, I am not using any green chilies here. The chili powder what we have added is the only spice we are adding, so make sure you have added enough chili powder according to your taste. We will add around 1 tablespoon of dahi here or curd and fry. As we are not using any tomato, to get that khatta taste in our pulao, we are using 1 spoon of dahi. Finally, we will add salt to taste. We'll give it a good mix. Now you can see the oil started to release on sides of our cooker. At this stage we will add our sweet corns. I am adding around half cup of sweet corn here. I have nicely washed. This pulao is a 1 pot meal, as I mentioned earlier. This can be easily prepared. It can be packed for lunch as well, lunch boxes. Finally we will add our rice. I have taken around 1 cup of rice. I have washed and I soaked for 5 minutes. So I am just giving a good mix. Let this come to the boil and we will add water and we will close the lid of the cooker. So for 1 cup of rice I am using around 2 cup of water. Finally I am adding kasuri methi around half tablespoon and 1/4 tablespoon of a garam masala on top, giving a good mix, and I'll close the lid and let this come to 2 whistles. After 2 whistles you can take out and our sweet corn pulao is ready. Very easy, very quick breakfast, yummy. This can be served with raita. Hope you have enjoyed my video. If so, please subscribe to Arpita's Kitchen. Thank you so much for watching.